Next, we will post all these operations into G code, select post, and just click this icon to select your post. And make sure you already download the post from the web page and save inside your working folders. We're going to choose this post. This post for Gateway machines and opened. And where you want to save the NC file. This is locations where you want to save the file. So I'm going to save somewhere over here inside the working folders, make sure. And then can make sure the selected op is not selected, because we're going to post everything, not only the selected op. This is the program numbers, and it's a command, and click process, and this will be the Z code for the programs. We have I'm going to show you a code for the y-axis operations. That will be operation number 6. This is trading. And this is the y-axis contour. This is the y-axis cut. And the c-axis will be in the next operations. C-axis cut, operation 7. This is a c-axis cut, X and C. Next, I'm going to show you how to use the operation manager. You just right click over here, select, right click at the operation list, right click, operation managers. In this list, it show you all the parameters, all the cutting parameters. It include the cutting times. If you don't see this, where you put the cutting cycle time for each process, what you need is just right click on this bar here, right click and select the calculate TP time. At any time you can go in and change the feed rate of the process. Let's say I'm going to change the process operation 7, operation data, right click, change it. Maybe I'll change the RPM to 3000 is okay. Entry bit I'll make it slower, maybe 100. Cutting fit maybe 200, and close. And then right click, calculate the cycle time again. You can see now the time already changed to 20 minutes. You can change anything you want with this operation manager. You can also copy all of these informations. Copy everything. Just right click and copy. Just Control C. Press Control C. After you highlight all the data, Control C, the copy. And then you can go to Excel. Right click, paste. So all the information can be exported into Excel form if you want. Next, I'm going to show you how to generate operation reports for Gibbs. Go to plugin and select a reporter. You have option to create a part report, to report, or a operation report, or a custom report if you want. I will choose this operation report. This is the summary of the operation report, the milling operations. And we will have sheet number 2 that is lead operations with all the information regarding tooling and the cycle time. And this template you can customize according to